Adhering to our own brand, Heli is the core connotation of its brand recognition strategy. Since its establishment in 1958, Heli has never stopped its innovation. While striving forward, Heli always takes the great responsibility of the Chinese nation. During its 50 years adventure, Heli has grown together with Chinese manufacturing industry. Heli's productivity increased from 10,000 units totally in 30 years to 10,000 units in 1 year, up to 100,000 units nowadays. The trademark of Heli was registered in more than 70 countries in the world and became a world-famous brand. Together with the country, together with the nation, together with the partners, Heli plays a major role in creating the excellence of Chinese industrial truck industry. When visiting Heli, President Hu Jintao said,
观念是两个，一条我们要有适应市场竞争的机制，第二个呢就是我们必须把自主创新作为我们企业竞争力的核心。
Insisting in independent innovation is the key initiatives of Heli Technology. It shoulders the dream of rising. As a national innovative enterprise, Heli has the sole national technical center in Chinese forklift industry. And the laboratory for industrial trucks, Heli possesses great capability to complete technical research and development. And Heli undertakes many important national scientific and technical innovation and industrialization. With constant innovations, Heli was honored with the title of National Torch Key Plan High-Tech Enterprise, National Innovation-Oriented Enterprise, Independent Design K-Series, H2000 Series, and G-Series Forklift. At contemporary international advanced levels, main products covering 18 tonnage, 512 products with completely independent intellectual property rights. Heli focuses on the research and development of new industry constantly. Through independent innovation and research commercialization, Heli leads technology progress and industrial upgrading continuously. The most complete industrial chain and widest products line have become the key features of Heli. Located in Hefei as its headquarters, Heli is set up Heli Baoji, Heli Hongyang, Heli Panjin, and Ningbo Liftstar Machinery Company as manufacturing bases. Heli has Hefei Forging and Casting Factory, and Qing Axle Factory, Hongbu Hydraulic Machinery Factory, and Liandong Attachments Company as its essential parts manufacturing industry to support the whole strategy. Basing on the standard management for the listed company and strict process control, Heli carried out lean production completely and pursued excellent management, so as to provide internal guarantee for the creating of high-quality products. From the production of key parts to assembling the completed trucks, those all achieve complete independent production. those provided the solid foundation to ensure Heli products with higher quality. Heli products achieved the certificates like European Union's CE safety certification, the USA's EPA certificate, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001 certification. And it was honored with the titles of the Enterprise at First Level of Safety Quality Standardization. As the top one brand within Chinese industrial areas, Heli sticks to independent marketing and sets up the largest sales networks with the most completed and the most standardized services. 23 direct sales subsidiary companies, 361 sub-dealers and agent networks, and the only sales and service model like 4S store within the area of forklift sales to provide pre-sale, sale, and after-sales service comprehensively, efficiently, and promptly. Heli products are now used in docks, railway stations, airports, customs, medicine, and involved into various areas including national securities. Heli influence is well known in the world. Heli built up an independent sales network that covers 80 countries in 5 continents. Heli products has been exported to 151 countries and regions. To create value for clients is Heli's persevering pursuit.
Well-tempered to create high-quality merchandise. 1.6 to 2 tons G2 series seat type electric reach truck is a whole new generation developed by Heli with independent intellectual property rights. It's based on comprehensive analysis of user experience and market needs, fully improved operating performance and efficiency, and insist on design concepts such as human-vehicle interaction, energy conservation, and environmental protection, etc. It is your best choice for cargo handling in narrow corridors, within workshop, warehouse, supermarket, etc. It will make your life and work easier and more efficient. More vehicle performance are markedly improved. No load lifting speed reaches 550 millimeters per second. Full load lifting speed reaches to 350 millimeters per second. No load driving speed reaches to 14 kilometers per hour. Full load driving speed reaches to 12 kilometers per hour. Key performance indicators such as handling performance, lifting height, driving performance are in the domestic, leading, and international advanced level. More attractive appearance design. The truck has novel appearance and concise structure with radius streamlined design style. Matching color of red and black not only inherit Heli culture, but also have strong visual impact. Unique model of instrument and armrest cover plates combined beauty and man-machine engineering. Radius streamlined design enhances the aesthetic feeling, meanwhile effectively reduces vehicle operation space. Standard LED lights effectively reduce the energy loss. More reasonable man-machine engineering. Easier and more comfortable to get on or off by reducing boarding step to 345 millimeter. More convenient and reliable with handle fixed on the overhead guard. Maximize driver's top sight with unique design of fan-type overhead guard. keep all key operations within reaching scope. Friendly man-machine interaction. Latest interactive, multifunctional LCD meter intuitively shows vehicle's running status such as wheel angle, forks height, driving speed, helps driver fully control the vehicle. Setting driving, lifting, and steering speed directly on the meter. Immediately alarm and display corresponding fault code when misoperation or breakdown occurred. Higher work efficiency in narrow corridors with a 180-degree, 360-degree steering mode. More comfortable vehicle operation. All movements of the forklift are realized by electromagnetic multi-way valve, effectively reducing vehicle's noise and vibration. Thumb switch makes operation mode comfortable. Decline proportion controlling offers good inching performance and accurate fork positioning. The truck has wider view from mast, standard side shifter, handy operation with EPS electrical power steering. Safe lock hook and slider structure for battery is simple and reliable, which makes maintenance easier. Vehicle works more steadily. Forks tilting while mast keeps still with frame. Improve high-level loadability. Mast and frame both adopt composite rollers. The assembly gaps of mast is reduced to 3 mm, lowering mast vibration. Cushion for mast cylinder and electrical terminal greatly reduce noises. Avoid limit impact and make forklift works more steadily. Drive more safely. Having automatically steer centering function, improved active safety with automatically turning speed limit function, standard equipment with emergency power off switch, standard equipped with automatic parking system, which delays 2 seconds after vehicle stops. The electromagnetic brake will shut down automatically to prevent vehicle sliding and sharply reduce safety hidden trouble. Standard equipped with electromagnetic brake on front wheels, which will effectively prevent vehicle running away from direction and shortening the braking distance. Standard equipped with Zappy electronic control, which has multiple protection functions. Standard equipment with protection cover on front wheels to prevent damage on front wheels by cargo falling or crashing. Energy saving and high efficiency. Integrated steering drive unit helps improve steering efficiency and reduce noises and energy consumption. AC motor drive with a high-speed ratio reduction box improve dynamic characteristics. AC renewable energy technology fully recovers energy and makes system more energy efficient. Thumb switch precisely controls output flow of electromagnetic multi-way valve to reduce overflow and energy consumption. 3-gear adjustable power switch can adapt to different working conditions and make power output more reasonable. Heli developing, people-oriented, make your work and life more easy, high efficiency and environmental protection. Heli, lifting the future.